push it when you guys are right there?
There we go.
Want me to push it?
No, it's fine. It's already on. So, guys, today, making slime correctly. Yeah.
So first,
Because last time it didn't go well.
and it's not going to.
So, open the cap, pour all the glue in.
I'm making glitter glue.
I'm making clear glue. Mine will come out! Or clear slime, not clear glue slime.
I think the clear one's really cool. Yeah, we have to wait a couple days.
No, we don't.
Yeah, but like to try to clear it. Like, and I'm gonna be the judge and vote for them.
Alright.
Wait, hold on. You have to wait for me.
We need spoons and stuff.
No, we're mixing with our hands.
Fingers, common sense.
Dude, that already looks like slime.
Wait,
No, it doesn't.
can you help me,
It's like
Justin?
glue.
Get this out.
You're not.
Yes, Dad.
Me and Anna are the judges. That's so.
Anyway,
And then we add baking soda. No baking soda.
fine, I'll add it to mine.
Because we're making it correctly.
Yeah.
Here's baking soda.
You tell me how much to stop it because I don't know how to make slime correctly.
Okay. Stop.
That's how much was in Anna's, but a tad bit more. And she said it got messed up.
So now my finger's
Tip
really.
it sideways, Jordan. That's what I did with.
She doesn't have to. After you mix it all in, you add sealing solution, or you could add Tide
Or contact
Thank you.
solution.
or baking soda.
The minute Elizabeth put like contact solution in mine, it just like.